Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about persistent identifiers. Persistent identifiers, or PIDs or PIs, are exactly what they say, a long-lasting reference to a document, file, web page, or an item that remains constant over time. PIDs have been around a long time and have taken many forms, but they've become more critical in the digital era. The PID has two important parts to it. First, the identifier or number remains constant over the life of the item and does not change even if the owner or the server on which it's available changes. Second, the PID is actionable or able to be found by entering it into a web browser or search. There's usually an organization that administers the PIDs and helps to facilitate changes over time, so the system stays up to date with changes to the internet and with search methodology. Many times an organization pays a fee to use or participate in the use of the PID to help fund these efforts. A persistent identifier addresses the problem of simply having a URL or website address being the identifier, as owners of the material might change, a document may no longer be in print, or naming conventions for the websites may change as technology changes. PIDs usually have a set or predictable format. Many times it's a set of numbers or letters or characters. A PID can be readily identified as such by many people that use it in that field. There are many types of PIDs, but the most notable ones in scholarly publishing is the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier. The DOI is used to identify academic, professional, and government documents such as journal articles, research reports, and publications. DOIs are administered by Crossref. Other PIDs include the handle system, archival resource keys or ARKs, electronic identifier serial publications or EISPs, and uniform resource names or URNs. Some URLs or web addresses are meant to be long-lasting. These are called permalinks. PIDs have become so important to researchers, libraries, publishers, search engines, and web users that there are now handbooks or publications dedicated to them, as well as conferences to address current issues. PIDs will only grow in importance to scholarly publishing. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or click on the playlist here to see more of my videos. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much, and take care.